I eat what I cook what I eat. Coconut oil helps to bring up the flavor and the taste in your meal. And because I'm extra, I added a little avocado, callaloo, cabbage, and carrots. Don't forget, follow, comment, share, like the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Shelley's J.A. Bickle. In today's video, I'll be making some cabbage, callaloo, carrots. How do you like your callaloo? I love to add cabbage and other veggies to my callaloo. You can also add cucumber, okra, whatever you choose. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to share, like, follow, drop a comment. Feel free to chop your cabbage small or large. I'll be chopping mine large after I core it to remove this piece. And I love to put it in two and then chop as large as you want. That's your business. Now I have everything ready. These are my carrots, and I added garlic, my cabbage, and some callaloo. Come with me. Hey guys, do you remember being in Jamaica and don't have no chicken on a Sunday? What do you normally eat? Here I have some rice and peas, and I'll be serving this up with cabbage, callaloo, and carrots. Real healthy. You can also add cucumber, any other veggie of your choice. And no, I did not add any saltfish in this. This brought back so many memories, or so much memories of living in Jamaica, in the country. My mother not having a chicken or any form of meat to eat on a Sunday. And guess what? She cooked callaloo and cabbage, and we did enjoy. Look at this. Make sure you grab a plate before you leave. Veggies are healthy. Veggies are always good. Incorporate them with carrots. If you have children that don't like to eat veggies but they love carrots, incorporate it in this. Don't forget to share, follow, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Bye.